little exercise, just use two types of triads, major and diminished. If you haven't seen my other triad videos, check out my major and minor triad videos covering those across the neck. Today we're going to take a look at diminished triads, a few ways to practice them, and how to connect the dots to use all these to actually create some nice music. Diminished triads, unlike major, which is 1, 3, 5, or minor, which is 1, flat, 3, 5, a diminished chord also flats the fifth. So you get the 1, the flat 3, and the flat 5. So let's take a look at the first position. Here's the first shape, root position. Then we have second inversion, first inversion, and back to root position. And you should practice them as 3-note voicings. But you also should practice arpeggiating them as single notes as well. Let's move on to the next position. So our second position starts on a first inversion, then we go to root position, second inversion, and back to first inversion. And once again, you should practice these as 3-note voicings, but also single notes. Let's move on to the next position. So our last position starts on a second inversion, and it looks like this. And you should practice those as single notes, but you should also practice those as 3-note chords as well. So now that we know our major, minor, and diminished triads, we can do a really cool exercise where we harmonize the major scale, and we get to practice all those triads. We get to practice major triads, minor triads, diminished triads, and you get to practice your major scales. And you can practice that in any of those inversions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll really help the channel grow. The next video will be covering augmented triads across the guitar neck.